The reason kung bakit ayaw mo mag-try is because takot ka mag-fail. Girl, nag-fail ka na. Doon pa lang sa moment na hindi ka nag-try, you are a failure. Not trying is a failure. If hindi ka pa nagta-try, it just proves that you don't want it badly. Like, hindi mo talaga siya gusto fully kasi if talagang gusto mo, like, meron kang grit, like, driven ka, like, passionate ka, like, gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay, you are not afraid of failing kasi ayaw mong meron kang pagsisihan at the end of the day. Once na nag-try ka, meron dalawang probability. It's either you succeed or you learn. So, by not trying, nag-fail ka na, wala ka pang natutunan. 'Di ba? Pero if nag-try ka, yes, maybe mag-fail ka hopefully hindi. Meron kang matutunan sa experience na 'yon and mas magiging better yung next execution mo, yung next action na iti-take mo sa mga plano mo. Pero malay mo na mag-succeed ka, 'di ba? And hopefully, yes, mag-succeed ka manifesting 'yan, cross finger. Ito ako last 2024 umiiyak ako. That's one of my digital diaries Umiiyak ako kasi hindi ako sinusuportahan ng mga friends ko, ng family ko sa pagiging content creator ko. So what I did was, nagpatuloy ako. Kahit na one like, tapos ako lang yung nagla-like ng mga video ko. Literally, I fail publicly. Nakakahiya na every single day nag-upload ako nun 4 to 6 to 10 videos every single day. Pero ako lang din nagla-like. I keep going. And as you can see, andito kayo lahat. So in your case, just try. Kasi what if, 'di ba, mag-succeed? What if mag-workout yung mga plan mo? And if hindi naman, you are one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself, to have the success you are aiming for. And it's a lesson, it's a life experience. Marami kang matututunan, throughout failing, throughout trying your best. Try it, kasi manifesting, baka mag-workout yan.